And what is this personal growth? So personal growth is growing yourself, so exploring yourself, knowing yourself, growing personally and professionally, to improve your personal relationships, strengthen them, and also professionally, career wise also, to go to higher heights, and also to improve your habits, behavior, and how you react and respond. So all these are done by using some methods, following techniques. So this is personal growth. It also includes improving your communication skills. So if you are in relationships also, communication skills are very important. Also in professional life also, communication skills are very important. That also comes under personal growth. And setting up of the goals. So certain times what happens, you set the goals and you are not able to achieve them. So you have done everything, so you know, but still you are not able to achieve your professional goals. And to know about that, what is stopping you from achieving what you want in life, all these come under personal growth. So if you start exploring yourself, knowing yourself, you will know what are your strengths and what are your weaknesses, and you can improve upon them. So you can again increase your strengths and also work upon your weaknesses. So like this you can start personal development. So this is the personal growth. It is a transformation process. For example, so if you can take some of your weaknesses, like you have this anger issues, so to manage anger, so this is also an example of personal growth. And if you want to manage your time management, or develop certain qualities like resilience or stress management, and also to develop responsibility, all these come under personal growth. So it is mainly related to taking the responsibility of your life altogether. So overall development. So it is also learning new skills and new things, and changing your mindset and perceptions, and becoming more positive towards your life. All these come under personal development or personal growth. So it is you who has to decide whether you want to go for this personal growth or not. So if you are that person who wants to grow and come forward in your life, and you want to achieve many things in life, you want to achieve success, and you are goal oriented, then this personal growth is for sure for you. And also if you are not career minded, also if you are more interested in personal relationships, then also personal growth is important. So in a way, I can say that, so this personal growth or personal development is important for each and everyone. So I wanted to share with you that, so last month I had conducted a workshop on stress management. That is also a way to grow your stimulate your personal growth. And also upcoming there is one workshop, 5-day workshop, which is also a free workshop I am conducting. So on time management, topic is time management. That is also I will share the details in the post. Once I will share this video, live video. Once I share this video, I will share the details of my workshop in the post, and also I will share the details in the comment section also. So these are the what I just now explained. This is what is the personal growth or personal development, self development. This is what it is. So by going after this, if you have decided that, oh, I want to explore myself, know myself, then you will become more positive towards your life. And why it is needed? So why do you need personal growth or self improvement? So it has many benefits. It helps in growing emotionally, mentally, and physically, spiritually, and also mentally also. So in all these 5 areas, it helps you, and you become more positive person and more considerate and more empathetic person. And also you will develop empathy. If you start to explore yourself, you will know, you can see your weaknesses, strengths, habits, mistakes you make. Unknowingly you may be making some mistakes. If you start exploring yourself and start self reflection, it will help you in knowing all these, and helps in correcting and changing for the best. And another benefit is that you will become a better version of yourself. So everyone want to become a better version of oneself. So this is very good approach to explore yourself and start developing, that is start self development. And if you learn to use your potential, so you will know what is your, what can you, to what extent you can achieve in life. So if you learn to use your potential to the maximum, you can achieve whatever you want in life. You can get success and be successful. So all this can be achieved if you start personal growth. So how you have to do, like, so you say like you are interested in personal growth, and how to start, okay, where all and how, when, all these questions may be coming into your mind. First of all, you have to develop open-mindedness. So when is the time? Right time is starting now. Now is the right time to start personal growth. First of all, you have to develop open-mindedness and be unbiased in looking at yourself. Don't criticize yourself too much, okay. Look at your behavior without any bias, and start with reading books or self-help books. It can be self-help books or biographies, autobiographies. Nowadays so many material is there in internet, and you can join workshops, and many free workshops are available, webinars, that also you can do. And if you have someone around you who you admire, you can look them and look upon them, and see what all they are doing in achieving their goals. And also you can follow that, you can talk to them, discuss with them, and also you can share so your problems, if they are available and they have enough time, then you can take advantage of their experience, and you can follow their life and ask their experience. And by looking at others' experiences also, we can learn so much. And also biographies and autobiographies, by learning so from the lessons and how these popular successful people, entrepreneurs excuse me, all these people achieved, by looking at them by reading their interviews and reading their biographies and autobiographies, you can learn so much. That way also you can do. You can also watch videos and movies also. There are so many movies. And if you say, I say that, like, whatever movie you see, every movie you can, if you have the right perception, if you see it right way, you can learn 1 or 2 lessons from whatever movies you watch. That way you can do. And everyone is different, and you can follow whatever suits you. You can start by asking like questions. So what is the starting point? You can start, what is your current state? Where are you now? Right now in your life, like professionally and personally, where are you right now? And also your strengths, weaknesses, habits, good habits, bad habits, where are you? So you can note down that, and where you want to go. What is the state you want to achieve, desired state? There you can go. And what improvement in yourself you want to achieve, what is important for you to go there, whatever the goal for you, you note down that. and what all you want to work on, what qualities you want to work on, and what is your strengths. So make your strength stronger, and you can work on your weaknesses also, and you can work on your limitations also. And to get that desired state, what are the skills you need, what all things you have to learn, skills, whether you have to upskill, or you want to join some courses, or you want to gain knowledge. All these you have to note down. And also resources, what all resources is needed, okay, to achieve whatever you want to achieve. So all these lists you can make. So you can make all those lists, and like this, whatever areas you want to achieve the personal growth, there you can achieve your personal growth. So according to if you have 3-4 goals, then accordingly each goal will have each separate list if they are different, and they are correlating with each other. Then you can make a common set list, that whatever you want, resources, skills and knowledge you want to gain. So like this you can start start your personal growth journey. So again I wanted to remind you that I'm taking workshop, okay, I'm doing a workshop, 5-day free workshop, and the details, like it is about time management, and the details I'll be again sharing with you in the comment section and in this post also. So that is about time management. Time management is also very important. So nowadays everyone is busy. You ask anyone, they will say that everyone is busy with some or the other, and we don't get time. So for personal growth also, if you ask anybody, they may say that, oh, I am interested, but I don't have enough time. I am going to work, and here also I have to look after personal life, professional life. I am so busy, I don't get time. So for this reason, so time management is very important. So I have this workshop, free workshop of 5 days, and I will share the details. So as I was explaining, like sharing with you all, so to start this personal growth, don't take everything like everything at a time. Go slowly, okay. So first of all you have to start now, like you have to decide that, okay, I have to start now, and then take baby steps. So slowly you go. And also, as I shared earlier, learn from others, and you have to be committed, and you have to take responsibility that you will change for the better. So unless you want to change, you cannot progress in life. So wherever you want to go, you cannot progress unless you change yourself, okay, your attitude, your perceptions. Not that every attitude you have to change, or all the perceptions. You have to check, you have to explore, self-reflect, and there should be self-awareness. Whatever is working for you and whatever is working against you, so that you have to check. And for all that thing, those things you have to start looking at yourself, explore yourself, and also decide that you should be ready to make any changes in you. And also take the responsibility for your growth and for your actions. And also another important thing is that, so okay, I agreed that you want to go some other point, to go to, say you are at point A and you want to go to point B, and so you don't criticize so much or ignore whatever you have now, okay. So this gratitude is also very important. Be grateful, focus on whatever you are already having now, right? This at this moment, present moment, whatever you are having, please give respect to that and be grateful to whatever you are having. So for that you can also start writing gratitude journal every day, and that also will improve your resilience and also increases your positivity. And also another important thing is in personal growth, you have to set the right intention. So set right intention and also challenge yourself. Okay, unless until you challenge yourself, you will not be able to go out of your comfort zone. So if you don't go beyond your comfort zone, you may not be able to achieve whatever you are dreaming of or desired state. And also follow your passion. Whatever you want, whatever you love to do, and whatever you enjoy to do, that you follow that passion and start doing that. So you will also enjoy whatever you are doing. And another most important thing is don't give up. So you have started now, and after 1 week or 15 days you see, oh, I have not reached wherever I wanted to, and you just lose hope. Don't do that. So you have to be motivated, inspired, and motivation comes within yourself. Don't look for others. Okay, so you have to make motivated, that whatever reasons, like how you want to motivate, how you want to inspire. So you know better that what motivates you and what inspires you. All those things you have to do and be motivated and find your rhythm. Okay, find your rhythm and also go with that rhythm and go with the flow. And you main thing is you have to go on learning and changing, and also making your life, whatever the dreamt life, whatever dreams you have, all those things you have to achieve. No one is coming behalf of you and doing that. So if you want some things, and you have to achieve those things. And learning, again I am again emphasizing that from books. Okay, it can be any books, self-help books, biographies, autobiographies, or plenty of resources are there in internet, and also workshops, webinars, right? And another thing I wanted to share, I put these videos in my YouTube channel. There is one self-development YouTube channel, also podcast also. That also links I will share in the comment section, and also in the post. In YouTube also many videos you will get, and in internet also, if you Google, if you search, you will get so many resources free, free of cost. You can self-develop and start your personal growth. And also, of course, there are coaches. If you are very serious and you have set some goals, or you don't know what to achieve, or you are stuck in life, then you can go for this professional helps are there. Okay, like coaches. I am also a personal coach, personal development coach. So I'm an internationally certified NLP master coach and life coach, and also I guide. Okay, so coaches like me, they guide and mentor, facilitate you. And sometimes what happens, whatever you know, you may not be knowing actually. So it is, everything will be in you only. So with problem solutions also will be there along with that. You may not be aware of so many things, potential. So if you sought after this professional help, they will help you, guide you, mentor, and facilitate you to recognize your potential. Okay, and also sometimes you will have limitations, limiting beliefs, some beliefs which you may not be knowing, or some things which may be acting as obstacles to whatever you want to achieve. So all those things can be with the help of coaches. Okay, you can go for that and also recognize your potential, and then achieve your goals. They will help you achieving in your goals, and also personally also to strengthen your relationships, professionally and personally. This coaching will help you a lot. And main thing is you should be able to change in order to get fullest in life. Okay, and also take full responsibility, commitment for your personal growth. Okay, and start now. And also, as I said, for this coaching also, I have this free session, one session coaching. I'll be giving you one full session, like 45 minutes. So you can take that session and then decide where you want to go, like further you want to continue or not. For that also I'll share the details where you have to book for the slot. So this live session I shared with you about what is entire thing, about little bit whatever I know and whatever I can in this short time. So about this personal growth, what is it and why you need it, and what are the benefits and how you can start. So some examples I gave you. I hope this will what to tell, like this will, so I know some may be pursuing like personal growth, others they may find it very attractive and start their journey of personal growth. I hope this will help you, and so thank you for joining me. And again I'm sharing, I have 5 days workshop, free workshop of time management. I'll be sharing the details in the comment section and also in this post. And thank you so much for joining this FB live, and I'll be conducting like sometime later so on some other topic. If you have some specific topics I want to talk on and cover, please share in the comment section, and so for sure I'll be taking up that. And what else, yeah, that's it. So I'll see you soon some other time, and again thank you for watching. Take care, bye bye, good night.